Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Ian, show yourself.
Hey, boys.
Yeah, let's go. So, one take video, probably one take, to be honest. We just got a package in the mail. Ian and I are a little hungover right now because we had a Christmas party last night. But, Ian, you're good. I'm sorry, bro. You're good. But
well, I've been better, honestly, but
Ian doesn't really want to film right now because we actually have to go Christmas shopping. What is it, the 23rd?
yeah, it's 4 o'clock on the 23rd. Like, we got to get on this, man.
We've had a plan for like 2 weeks to go Christmas shopping, and like we haven't done it. However, a package came in the mail. We got to do a quick video. I wish this wasn't as rushed, but I don't think there's even a rush to this. No, we won't rush it. I'm just not gonna edit, I guess. We got dip, bro. I gotta
yeah, we should get on this.
Anyway, thumbs up, comment down below. Guys, Christmas giveaways. The $100 gift card, not gift card, PayPal that I said the other day. I actually sent that out to somebody. If you guys want to win, I didn't even think about it today. I'm trying to do this like Christmas giveaway, which I've been slacking on. Another $100 PayPal. Another $100 PayPal. If you guys comment, thumbs up down below. And my Instagram's right on the screen right here. Just message me your PayPal like address or something like that, and I'm just gonna surprise you with $100. So anyway, that's my little Christmas gift, boys. Getting into it though. Actually, don't show too much. You guys know I unboxed a fart in a jar the other day. Not the other day, a couple weeks ago. Ian actually didn't want to be in that video.
Yeah, no, I wanted no part of that.
Don't blame you. This is a burp in a jar. Now, you guys...
Oh, great. that's so much better.
Yeah. Ian agreed to be in this one because it's a burp, not a fart. But you guys are so great, bro.
Actually, I just needed a ride to do the shopping.
Is that actually?
Kinda.
It's kind of halved up, man.
Well, so's a burp in a jar.
I think I'm still DRU on K right now. Anyway, we got a burp in a jar. You guys are such gems. Somebody hit me up on Instagram saying there's some OnlyFans girl selling burps in a jar. Is it farts in a jar, burps in a jar? Like, is she copying the farts in a jar thing? I don't know.
What? As if we have a knockoff farts in a jar. Like what?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on. She's a damn model. I showed you her page. What do you think? Like, actually, like, I think it's bad to rate girls, but like, she's nice. Or...
Yeah, she's. Let me put it this way: I would be down to get anything except a burp in a jar from her.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay.
Well. Yeah, a fart in a jar wouldn't be better, actually.
But stop burping in a jar, bro. Anyway, yeah, luckily she's from Canada, so I hit her up real quick asking if I could get fast shipping, because Christmas times we have it right here.
Yeah, you gotta get your Christmas burp.
Ian, we gotta unbox the burp in a jar. Do not show the top. I tried to scribble it out as much as I could, but just try not to show the top of that. Boys, I guess we're gonna get into this. Half-assed? No. Actually, Ian's been arguing with me the whole day. Actually, no, the past 10 minutes, so we don't have time for this. We got time for this, right, Ian?
I guess. I mean...
It just came in, boys. We gotta do it. Anyway. Fart in a jar. Oh, dude, that was...
Wow, that...
I'm getting a little ballsy there. That could have been... So what we have to do, Ian, is sniff.
Oh God, do we have to, really?
Yeah. Anyway,
like,
yeah, we gotta sniff test it.
I feel like that isn't sanitary.
Do you think I'm allowed to give her name?
I have no clue. I have absolutely zero idea.
I feel like I should like shout her out a little bit. I don't know the rules with YouTube of OnlyFans and like promoting the girls and the action.
Is this promoting?
I don't know what it is, Ian. Like, I'm clearly, I told you guys, man, it's freaking December. All December, we're gonna do some weird ass unboxings. I said that.
Yeah, that's you could say it's weird. I
don't want this. Now here's where I gag. You guys know I gotta gag really flex.
Yeah, like why are you doing this out of all people?
I'm just thinking about it already. All right, well, unboxing achieves.
Wow, it's...
I guess that's her bubble wrap. Okay, what are you gonna expect? Okay, we have the fucking jar, bro. We have the jar. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh God, what is it?
I'm recycling the evidence. I don't need my girlfriend knowing this. It's actually a nice jar.
It kind of is, actually.
I don't know if you guys saw the fart in the jar the last time, but it was a big jar, which means a big jar of fart.
Man, you sure you want to open it? Like...
No, that's why I have you, bro. Would you sniff
Wait,
that?
you want... you?
Yeah, I'll
what?
film you.
No way, man. I don't want that shit.
Are you serious?
Why would I want to do that?
Please? I have no edits, man. Like, I don't want to, like, have this talk.
If you know what, fine.
I'll do it.
Okay, fine. If that's what it takes to move this along. All right. Okay.
Do you want to do it? No, I feel bad.
I mean, I don't want to do it. I will if I have to.
So we're not even showing the product. I mean, there's no...
What?
I didn't even look if there's a card in there. I'm trying to get rid of the evidence. My girlfriend, first off, doesn't need to know that I'm on OnlyFans. I'm not actually. I'm not, but like...
Yeah, this has got about 8 ways it could get you in trouble, isn't it?
I might have purchased one picture from someone on OnlyFans one time. I actually did do that.
Oh yeah, just a one time.
I can honestly say I did. My girl doesn't watch the videos, so... So it's a burp in a jar. One thing, actually, I totally forgot to mention. Apparently, this girl like eats onions and shit and then burps. Like,
oh man,
rats and shit. Yeah.
Why?
I don't think I even. Burp in a jar, man. I mean, get your money, bro.
It just.
I gotta drink water before this. Talk to the camera, bro. It's one take. We gotta go.
Okay. I mean. I mean, at least it doesn't have like a color or anything to it. Like,
you already make me feel like I'm gonna puke.
Well, why is this happening?
It's a burp in a jar, man. Cause it's funny, Ian. I think it's.
All right, come on. Let's
First
do
off,
this.
The seal doesn't seem straight. Do you want the first sniff or me?
Why would I want the first sniff?
Because I feel like everything's gonna release after the first sniff.
Fine, I'll do it. Just like.
Alright, turn it to yourself. Turn it to you. Do it. I'll do it after. I swear to God.
Yeah.
I actually.
All right. Wait. How the hell am I gonna film this and open the jar? Oh wow, you weren't kidding. This thing isn't even sealed.
Sniff it.
What? Dude, are you okay?
No, keep going. Sniff it, bro.
Dude, there's not even.
I can't handle it.
Dude, there's nothing.
Is it fine?
Yeah, like, there's nothing in it. I mean, like. Oh wait, actually.
Is that factual?
There's a bit of a weird smell to it. Are you gonna be okay, man?
No, I don't know what the I just smelled, bro. I'm not.
God, please don't puke. Seriously.
Video waste. I didn't actually try it. Now the fucking burp is released.
You know what? That seal was not.
I'm not doing it.
There's no way in hell that seal was airtight.
Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm sorry, Liz. I'm not doing it.
You're really gonna puss out on this one, eh?
No, I'm actually gonna puke all over the floor. Which would be great, actually great content, but you can't have that. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Stop. Actually, stop, bro.
Come on.
No,
Come on. You said it yourself. We need the content.
I'm not.
All right, there we go. There, you smelled it. Or
Yeah.
if there's.
This all just seems like a bad.
Was there?
It's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know.
Was there even a burp? Was there even anything in that jar? I feel like we just got a. I feel like we just bought a jar of air.
I mean, yeah. She could probably do it. I don't know, man. Christmas shopping. I don't know. Appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. A little bonus video. Wasn't supposed to film today. Frig it. There's a burp in a jar. Disgusting, man. Repulsive. What's another word?
I don't know, man. I'm still in a bit of shock here. What?
Alright. Appreciate it.
God, I do not want to go shopping right now.
Well, we have to. Peace, guys. It's still a little DRUNK or something like that. Where's my check?
Great, so I guess I'm driving too. What a fucking day.
I don't like you. Bye.